So, a few days back, I received a mail. No, not that mail, sorry. An email. And I just opened it. It asked me to click on the link. And of course, I clicked over it and saw something unexpected and shocking. Okay, so let me first reveal it. So, we have Filmora 12 beta here, and I think we have to review it. So now I guess you got the point of the video, and let's get started. Okay, so let me tell you, if you download Filmora 12 beta and shoot or screen record your video using it and then post it over social media by using the hashtag Filmora12 impression, you can win some exciting prizes and even a free license of Filmora 12. You can learn more about this from the link in description. Now, once you have downloaded Filmora 12 beta, there may be some bugs or you may notice crashes or so in your app. So don't get frustrated, as it will get better in the official launch. Okay then, so let's first have a look on some major updates of the new version. So now in this version, we have the draw mask or custom mask feature. I think this feature was much requested and finally we have it. So in order to use it, drag on your clip to the timeline, click on it once, go to the mask section and select draw mask and done. The next major update is the adjustment layer. You may know about this, that if you want to apply some effects to more than one clip without repetition, you can use the adjustment layer. This will apply any effect you put on it to all the clips down below it, hence a convenient feature. And we have few more updates too. Now we can use keyframes to almost all the parameters, instead of earlier where we could use keyframe just to few parameters like opacity, rotation and transform, I guess. Moving ahead, there are two new AI tools. The first one is AI Smart Cutout to separate an object from the background, and second is AI Audio Stretch to extend any audio without duplicating it. Also, in the major updates, we have multiple platform support, such that you can upload your project on cloud and use Filmora app in your Android or iOS tablet to edit without your PC.
A few hours later.
There are some other cloud improvements too that you can check out by downloading Filmora 12 beta from the link in description. There are some other minor features also that are introduced in this update, such as keyboard presets, optimized effect browsing, new effects, interface changes, 3D titles, new royalty-free music, etc. And this was the wrap for Filmora 12 beta review. And I hope you enjoyed the video and found something new and helpful. If so, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.